Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Inshallah, today the video is special, very special for our kids who likes to make pancake, but it's kind of like hard for them sometimes to be success in it. So it's the ingredients. It's very easy. You can find it in your house. Doesn't have any special ingredients. Just follow me and watch how I'm making it. And I'll do my best to explain for you guys. So, Bismillah. I'll melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave, as you see. This is the cake flour. Cake flour, it's less protein inside it. It's optional, but it makes the cake, the pancake, more fluffier. So you make half cup all-purpose flour and half cup of the cake flour. We have to sift the flour. Two teaspoons baking powder. This brand is very nice and it's double active. Pinch of salt. The benefit of salt is balance the flavor. We're gonna put the flour to the side and start with our liquid ingredients. 1 egg and 3 tablespoons sugar. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Beat the ingredients very well. Now it's time to add the butter, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And this is half cup of half and half. If you don't have half and half, just add 1 cup of warm milk. I didn't have milk, so I added half cup of half and half, and I added the rest of the half cup water to make it a whole cup. Now add the milk slowly to the mix, as you see. The pancake mix is ready. Now I'm gonna add it to a bottle like this. It's very easy when you put it in the pan. So it's very nice if you want to buy it from anywhere you can find it. It makes your job much easier. Just make sure after each batch you're making, shake the bottle good. That way it doesn't, like the liquid doesn't go on the top and get thicker from the bottom and thin in the top. The grill here it's 450 Fahrenheit, and you have to pour slowly the dough to the grill or to the pan that you have, the size that you like. And if you want to put any toppings before the holes start to pop, that will be great. And then you make sure it's gold under before you flip it. You have to flip the pancake before it's dry completely from the top. Never grease the pan before adding the dough. So never add any grease to it. It has to be like this clean. And as you see, you put slowly and whatever topping you want before, like I said, the holes comes out. This step is optional. You can just brush with a little bit butter on top of the pancake. It's up to you. That's how you make pancakes. So hopefully you guys like it and enjoy it. Super moist, super fluffy, and just let me know if you have any question. The ingredients, I'll write it down below so you can see it clearly. So that's how it is. Inshallah, you know, you guys like it, subscribe, like, share, and enjoy it with your family.